In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a meeting using a code in Google Meet. Knowing how to effortlessly navigate through Google Meet can be a valuable skill, especially with the increasing reliance on virtual meetings. Let's get started and go step by step through the process. First, open your internet browser and go to the Google Meet website by typing in meet.google.com in the address bar. Once the site loads, you should see a button labeled New Meeting. Go ahead and click on that. It's important to note that accessing Google Meet requires a Google account, so if you aren't already signed in, you'll need to do that first before continuing. After clicking on New Meeting, three options will typically appear. Here, select Create a Meeting for Later. This will generate a link that you can use anytime to start a meeting. You'll see an option to Copy Link. Click on this. By copying the link, you're effectively saving your meeting details to your clipboard, making it easy to share with others. After copying the link, you can click on the X icon to close the window. This brings you back to the initial screen. We're going to demonstrate a couple more options available under the New Meeting button. So once again, click on New Meeting, but this time, go ahead and select Start an Instant Meeting. This will immediately open a new meeting room with your camera on and ready for you to invite participants. Once inside the meeting, you'll see a Copy Link option just like before. Clicking on this will ensure that you have the meeting room link handy to share with participants. Once you have the link copied, you can click on End Call to exit the meeting. This option is typically located at the bottom of your screen. Ending the call will prompt another option to Return to Home Screen. Clicking this will bring you back to the Google Meet homepage. For the final option, let's explore scheduling a meeting through Google Calendar, which can be very efficient for organizing future engagements. From the Google Meet homepage, click on New Meeting one more time and select Schedule in Google Calendar. This will redirect you to Google Calendar, where you can adjust the date and time of your meeting. Here you'll also see another generated meeting link under Join with Google Meet. Highlight this address and note it down, as this will be the link you'll provide to your meeting participants. And that's it. You now know 3 ways to create and share Google Meet links, whether it's instant, scheduled for later, or via Google Calendar. By understanding these methods, you'll be well equipped to host or join meetings seamlessly, no matter the circumstance. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments section below.